What is Python? Python is an interpreted object oriented high level programming language with the dynamic semantics developed by Guido van Rossum. It was originally released in 1991. Python is in simple words, Python is an interpreted language and it is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Why Python is interpreted? Python is an interpreted language, which means the source code of a Python program is converted into bytecode that is then executed by the Python virtual machine. In simple words, Python is converted into source code into bytecode or high level language to machine language. In Python simple programming language, print of some statements, print of welcome to my channel, and it converts into machine code and gives in user input welcome to my channel.